5 years ago, I made a video showing exactly how I got waves in one day. But here's the truth. I already had waves before I made this video. Let me explain. Yes, I already had waves, but I combed them out and stopped taking care of them, which I said in the video. So prior to this video, I had waves before, but I stopped taking care of them for about 3 weeks, and I'm brushing my hair so you can see that I do not have waves at the moment. But this time is different. It's been 5 years since I've had waves, and in that time, I've had many different hairstyles from a fro to twists to braids, until finally I decided I wanted a fresh start. Since my haircut, I've been growing my hair for about 2 months, and now I'm ready to try to get waves again for a day. Will I be able to get them back, or will I be proven to be a liar? Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications, or you're gonna have to go bald next year. And we all know you don't want that. I haven't had short hair in so long that I don't even have a brush anymore. So I need to make a quick stop to the store. Now I have everything I need, so let's get started. This is my hair before I start this process, and like I mentioned earlier, I cut my hair after growing it for 5 years, and this is 2 months of growth. As you can see, I do not have waves, but I have curls, which are very important. And for the first step of this process, I'm going to start by picking out my hair. Now that that's finished, I'm going to get ready to hop into the shower. Now here I'm going to get ready to do what we call the first wash. Now the first wash is primarily to clean the hair. You notice that the shampoo isn't lathering up, and that is because of the product and oil that is in my hair right now. Next, I'm going to use this comb to comb my hair in the direction that I want it to lay down. And after a quick rinse, we're ready to continue the process. This is my hair after the first wash, or pre-wash, and if you look closely, you might see some formations of waves happening, but we still have quite a ways to go. Throughout this video, you're going to see me use this spray bottle to rehydrate my hair. Now it is time for me to apply some more shampoo to my hair, and I'm going to apply a smaller amount of shampoo this time because you'll see that as I apply it, it's going to start lathering up instantly. Now this part is optional. I'm going to use this Denman brush to work the lather through my hair, but if you don't have one, a comb is perfectly fine. Here you see me rehydrating my hair again because I felt my hair was getting dry. Now it's time to start brushing. First, I'm going to use the hard side of the brush. It's important to be patient and work all angles of your hair. I'm rehydrating again and adding just a little bit of shampoo back into my hair. I'm flipping the brush over so I could work with the softer side of the brush to lay down my hair even further. Now on to the more difficult part. We're going to be working with the crown area. What you see me doing here is applying a little bit more shampoo to my crown area and working it out with my fingers first. This area of your hair is very delicate, so you want to be patient and take your time. Now if you want to have a swirl or beehive pattern, this is where you would determine that. It might not seem like it, but this part took me the longest because I had to make sure I didn't mess up all my progress while working on my crown. Right here, I'm not using the entire brush. I'm just using the edges and the corners so I could be more precise. Perfecting your crown isn't going to happen in just one day. It's something that's going to take time and effort. To finish off the brushing session, I added water and a little bit more shampoo, and I went around my entire head once again, taking my time to hit each and every angle. As one of the final steps, I'm going to use my hands to smooth out my entire head. Now it's time to rag up. It's important to keep the seam on the outside or you're going to have a line in your hair and in your forehead. For some added compression, I'm going to use a wave cap on top of my do-rag. Now it's time to rinse out all of that shampoo. You're going to rinse out the shampoo through the do-rag so you can keep the waves in place. After that, I'm going to use a towel to pat dry my hair through the do-rag. I'm not going to take the do-rag off until my hair is dry. Now for what you've all been waiting for, the results. Although this process works, I wanted to make it clear that this process is used more for training your hair. I would recommend doing this process at least once a week so that your hair can be trained to stay in this form or shape. Once you brush your hair after doing this process the first time, you're going to lose a lot of progress, but it's still good for training your hair to lay down. Make sure you add products to your hair and go in with a good intense brushing session so you can get your waves laid down as much as possible. That's it for this video, and if you liked it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications for more.